Chocolate cake is one of the easiest cake recipes you can find on the internet. But having a moist chocolate cake is a different ballgame. So stay with me to the end and I'm going to share with you all the secrets to making very yummy moist cake at home. So if you're meeting us for the first time, my name is Chex and you're highly and warmly welcome back to my kitchen. So let's get straight to this, guys. First of all, you are going to be needing your flour. I'm using 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of cocoa powder, then 2 cups of sugar, because cocoa powder rather are usually bitter, so you need to double your sugar to meet up with the taste, to balance the taste. Okay, so after that we need our baking powder, we need our baking soda, we need our vanilla extract, we need our melted butter, guys. We need a cup of warm milk as well. Then we need our salt to taste. First of all, we'll have to start by sieving our flour. Of course, you know by now, if you have been following my channel, you know that by now you do not do anything with flour without first of all sieving it. That process helps air to pass through the flour and helps in making whatever you're going to use it for to come out finer. Okay, so if you want a very fine pastry, don't skip this process. Also sieve in your cocoa powder. Usually they come in lumps. I don't know why cocoa powder comes in that form, so this one is a must. You must sieve it. Then go in with all your dry ingredients. Here I've added my 2 cups of sugar, and I'm going to go in with my baking powder, 2 spoons. I am going to go in with a spoon of baking soda, and I'm going to go in with half spoon of salt. Now I'm going to combine all thoroughly and carefully before introducing any liquid. Break in your eggs. Remember, you're going to be taking them one after the other. You will never know how important this step is until you break in a very bad egg into a good one. That's why you will appreciate this process. Okay, so break them in one after the other, and afterwards go in with all your liquid ingredients. Start mixing everything together gently but consistently. Okay, so you're going to maintain a rhythm and to make sure that everything is properly and fully combined. Where are you watching us from? Please let me know so that I can give you a shout out in my next video. Our shout out today goes to Arindaga, if I am pronouncing it very well. Irene has never stopped supporting us on this channel, always leaving us beautiful comments. Now add your vanilla extract or any flavor of your choice. If you have coconut flavor, you can add. If you have chocolate flavor, you can use as well. Okay, these are the 2 other flavors that most times I interchange with vanilla flavor. I am going to show you a trick that I use to maintain the moisture of my cake while baking. So stay with me while we go into the baking process shortly. Grease your baking powder very well with your melted butter or any vegetable oil around. Okay, then place your parchment paper at the bottom of the baking pan and carefully scoop in your batter. This is what I do to maintain the moisture of my cake whenever I am baking, especially when I am baking with an oven. Okay, I usually go in with a pan of water just directly under the rack where I'm going to place my cake. This usually helps to maintain the moisture of the cake throughout the baking process, because it will keep on evaporating. The water will keep on boiling and evaporating, and that way your cake can never be dry. Okay, so here our cake is already out of the oven. Let's flip it and see what it looks like. This is so perfect, guys, and the good part is that the taste was even more yummy than it looks. Like, this cake was so rich in every essence of richness. So when you talk about rich moist cake, guys, this is number one. So filling and so yummy, guys. I just hope you guys will try this and come back and give me a testimony as always, right? So I'm waiting for your testimony at the comment section, guys. Let me know how your own turns out and let me know what you think about this recipe. Did you learn anything new as always? Okay, so I'm waiting for those testimonies, guys. And if you're meeting us for the first time, like I said in my intro, you're highly and warmly welcome. And to my old subscribers, I say thank you for your support always. And here, guys, is where Check says bye bye and see you all in my next one.